What is even happening with the shade of this rosé? That is gorge. Cheers. Okay, this rosé is so good. It's called the Seeker. I found it here in town in Bedford, New York for $9.99. What? Okay, so once again, change of scenery. I am dog sitting for my friend and I am staying at his lake house, which is in Bedford, New York. This video is all about Merit's brand new drop, which is their fall and winter sets. And these were actually sent to my wrong address. Part of the reason why I haven't posted up until now, because it took me a very long time to get these in my hands. I cannot wait to dig into these. I've only tried one of the new shades, but as per usual, I am going to be showing you like the full routine because I think that's really important for you to see how products play together. Always like to remind you guys that I have a collection with Merit. It is called Cate's Favorites, and it is 6 of my favorite Merit products, and it is always 15% off, best deal on the site. And you can always find that linked at the top of my description box, along with everything else I'm gonna talk about here today. So we have 2 sets from Merit. We have the mini Flush Balm Trio set, and we have the dress code set. And I really wanted to keep them in the packaging for you guys because I think the packaging for this is absolutely stunning. Like if you were to give this as a gift, gorgeous. There is a brand new blush shade I'm gonna be showing you guys. It is called Bespoke, and the lip shades are all brand new. So we have a new shade of the matte lipstick, we have a new shade of the satin lipstick, and we have an entirely new formula that we've never seen before from Merit, and it is a lightweight lip blush. I did actually pull this out and try it because I couldn't not. And spoiler alert, it's incredible. Okay, so let's get into the routine here, and I'm gonna be starting with another new drop from Merit. This came out in the last few months. This is their Great Skin Priming Moisturizer. These are an integral part of my skincare routine, and this is also like literally the best primer, hands down. So first I'm going in with the Great Skin Serum, and then following that up with the Great Skin Priming Moisturizer. And this is not only blurring to the skin, but it is also a cashmere finish. It floods the skin with hydration and just gives you the perfect base over which to apply your Merit Minimalist foundation or whatever foundation you want to use. If you're going to wear SPF with this, what you want to do is you want to put it on right after you apply this. And then you want to immediately follow that with your foundation. You don't want these products to dry down. You don't want the Merit Great Skin to dry down. You want it to be nice and glidey when you put on the Merit Minimalist stick. And this is in the shade Dune. And this is a foundation and a concealer, which is why it makes it the perfect travel foundation. And I'm taking my Merit foundation brush and just buffing that into the skin. And you will see how effortlessly just sinks into the skin and looks like a second skin. I mean, what? So there's the full base routine, and she is stunning as ever. This is kind of deceiving because you would think with how colorful this is that it was going to be like sweet or something. I don't know why my mind goes there, but it's not. It's so delightfully dry and crisp. Next, we're doing eyes, and I'm going in with the Solo Shadow in my go-to shade, which is Studio. When I use eyeshadow, this is my current go-to. And frankly, pretty much always has been ever since this dropped. It's still remained so incredibly creamy. I'm actually cracking open a brand new Brow 1990, which is Merit's brow pencil. I used my last one up. So this is in the shade dark brown. It has the tiniest little tip. I usually mention this closer to the top of the video, but if you're new here and you're still watching, hi, my name is Cate and I am an exclusively pro-choice influencer, which means that I only feature products from brands that are loudly and proudly in support of abortion rights. If you want to learn more about my pro-choice beauty brand mission or see my pro-choice beauty brand list, I always always keep that list on my Instagram. You don't need an Instagram account to access it. You just head to my Instagram. You can literally screenshot it. It's gonna take you maybe 15 seconds, and you can keep that list on your phone so you can make more informed decisions about the beauty brands that you purchase from. Now I'm going in with the brow gel. This is the Brow 1980, and I have this in dark brown as well. And I am just going to very lightly set my face with some powder. Setting your face is really an optional step. If you're a person who has dry skin, you might feel like you don't need to do this at all. And the mascara I brought with me is my Ilia mascara. This is the Limitless Lash. I got a dot of mascara right there. Damn it. It's actually kind of like a perfect little dot though. Like maybe I should make this part of the look. Okay, so normally I would bronze right now, but the new release shade in the blush set is a little bit browny, and I really want you to be able to see that. So don't think I'm gonna bronze. Okay, so pulling out the mini Flesh Balm Trio set, and this is comprised of the shade Mood, which is a soft burgundy, Stockholm, which is one of my favorite blush shades of all time, which is a baby pink, and Bespoke, which is a brown pink, and this is the brand new limited edition shade. So I'm going to focus on Bespoke because she is brand new, but I'm also going to swatch the other shades for you on my arm, and I know that I'm probably gonna end up using Stockholm on the apples of my cheeks. Okay, so here is Bespoke. And there is Bespoke swatch on my wrist. Merit, you've done it again. This is jaw-droppingly beautiful, and I feel like it's going to be so flattering on so many skin tones. And I know so many people are lovers of like a nude cheek or more of kind of like a cocoa cheek. It's actually a lot less browny than I thought it was gonna be. Wow. Oh my God, I love this. This is kind of going in the Fox family for me. It's one of those shades that like you don't know what to expect, and it's so gorgeous and so nuanced. So that is the shade Bespoke. I don't know if I am gonna be needing Stockholm. I might be taking that back. Now I'm gonna show you the other shades that are in the set. These are not new shades. This is the shade Mood, which is a soft burgundy. Absolutely beautiful, stunning aspen cheek. And this is Stockholm. She's that girl, guys. Cannot go wrong with Stockholm. So those are the 3 shades in the mini Flush Balm set. And I am just gonna go in with Stockholm because I can't help myself. I'm never ever disappointed when I go in with Stockholm. It's never happened. Let's be honest, I've never been disappointed in any of the Merit Flush Balms. Now we're moving on to the lip set, which is called the Dress Code set. So we have Bespoke in lipstick form, and this is the satin finish. Oh my God. So there is Bespoke. Okay, so now I have Bespoke everywhere. I have Bespoke on my cheeks. I have Bespoke on my lips. You know what this reminds me of? Does anyone remember the brand Jane? Now, I've heard that they still have this brand around, but it doesn't exist like it used to. It's changed. When I was a teenager, when I was in high school, this brand was a drugstore brand. It was all the rage. It was tailored to high school girls. And they had this specific lipstick shade that was all I wore. And it was just this gorgeous, like nudie caramel shade. It was this. Like, I feel like I've been looking for this all of my life. And the next thing we're gonna try is the brand new Formula N shade. So this is their lightweight lip blush, and this is in the shade Du Jour. Just a beautiful sort of like soft mauve. And this is a very sheer but matte formula. It's kind of giving the bullet form of the Rare Beauty lip soufflés, which I absolutely love. One of my favorite matte lip formulas ever. So that is Du Jour. Oh my God, this is so light and airy. This is also a lip product that you're going to be able to apply if you wanted to without a mirror, because it's just that sheer and that glidey. Merit, please, please, please come out with an entire line of this formula. And I absolutely love this shade. Lip products like this always make my lips look bigger because they just diffuse everything. There's no hard line. Merit, please do not keep this limited edition. I will cry. Okay, and then we have the most dramatic of all the shades, perfect for the holidays. Hence why I think they named it Black Tie. And there is Black Tie. Looks like a really nice berry. And that is a Black Tie. This is a really beautiful berry shade, but I have to tell you, I feel like the stars of the show are Bespoke and Du Jour. In fact, so much so that I want to end the video on one of these. So I'm going to take this off. Hold on. I think I'm going to have to go in with Bespoke. Just using my Jones Road powder bronzer. Now that we have all the blush going on and everything, I am going back in with bronzer because I feel like this is gonna tie everything together really beautifully. Yeah, okay, so 10 out of 10 on these sets. They did not disappoint. And I will be interested to see if Merit releases the lip blush in more shades. I really hope they do. Thank you guys so much for joining me. As always, you guys are the best. Please stay safe out there and cheers till next time.